Time includes years, months, weeks, days, not just hours, minutes, and seconds. So you need to know, and you should already know this should not be something new to you, that 1 minute equals 60 seconds, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 day has 24 hours in it, 1 week has 7 days, 1 year has 52 weeks. 1 year also has 12 months. You will not find up there how many days are in a month. You will not find how many weeks are in a month, because it varies each year. You have some months that have 31, you have some months that have 30, you have a month that could have either 28 or 29. Depending on how it starts, you could have 5 weeks or you could have 4 weeks in a month. So it totally depends.
But there's always 52 weeks.
There's always 52 weeks in a year. These are always things. These are constant. They do not change. Okay? So when we add or subtract time, we have to do just like we do when we add or subtract feet and inches, is separate them to add and subtract. Okay? At the end, you may have to do some adjusting to make sure that you have it in a simplified format. So here's adding times. Add the hours, add the minutes. If there's more than 60 minutes, subtract 60 from the minutes, add 1 hour, and that would give you your simplified format. Okay? Confusing? No. Remember, add the hours, add the minutes. You can't have more than 60 minutes. If you have more than 60 minutes, you have to make it an hour. If you add hours, minutes, and seconds, you have to convert it to minutes and hours. If there's more than 60 seconds, if there's more than 60 minutes, it goes to hours. Sometimes you will be asked to write things totally in a minute format or totally in an hour format. So if there was 1 hour, 30 minutes, it would be 1.5 hours, right?
Sure.
Does that make sense? Or 90 minutes. Okay? So in this example, we are always going to simplify it down to its simplest setting, which is hours, minutes, and seconds. It's, yeah, very simple math. You should know how to do this. This is all review. Here's an easy example. So 2 hours, 45 minutes plus 1 hour, 10 minutes. Add the hours, 2 plus 1 is 3. Add the minutes, 4 plus 10 is 55. Answer is 355. The colon. Hard example. What is 245 plus 120? 2 hours, 45 minutes plus 1 hour, 20 minutes.
4 hours and 5 minutes.
Perfect, Tanner.
Why are we doing this? It's pointless.
Because it's something that I think you need to work on, because some of you are struggling with it. Some of you did fine. Okay, so then that means you should get 100% on it. It's really not that hard. Easy example for subtraction. 410 minus 105. 4 minus 1 is 3. 10 minus 5 is 5. 305. Now when you get to the harder ones, make sure you borrow. So you cannot subtract 10 from 35. You have to borrow 60 seconds from 4 to make it 370 minus 135, which would be 235. Here is our example with seconds. 28 minutes, 7 seconds, minus 2 minutes, 11 seconds. First step we have to do, Ryan.
Subtract the hours.
We don't even have hours.
Seconds.
We work this way, right? When we subtract. So, what do we have to do first? We have to borrow, so we have to make this 67 and... Right? This one down here. 7 years, 24 weeks plus 38 weeks. Blaine, what do we do first?
We take, wait.
1 week, or yeah, we take. No, you just add straight. You add the weeks first.
Okay, which is?
I don't know.
62 weeks.
Yeah.
Is that the answer?
No, it's gonna be 8 years, 10 weeks. I mean, no.
Yeah.
This should just simply be that, review. It is going to be on your test. So those of you who are like, oh, this sucks, this is stupid, Mrs. Miller,